Welcome to this GED Math Booster video. The topic today is dimensions of similar triangles. This problem also has kind of an unusual answer format. You can see that we are being asked for a value of A and B. Let's read the problem and see if we can make some sense of that. Given that the angles of the two triangles below are equal, they are similar triangles. Select the possible values for the missing sides of the second triangle. We are being asked to find the lengths of side A and B such that the green triangle will be similar to the blue triangle. That means that the ratio of 4 to 10 has to be the same as the ratio of A to B. And we're going to take advantage of that property to try to find those values of A and B. And our possible values for A and B are in this list. One of these is A and one of these is B. That makes this problem format kind of unusual, but hopefully it will make more sense once we go through it. So the first step is let's set up a ratio from the first triangle, 4 over 10. We could do it the other way, but I'm choosing to put the smaller number on top, bigger number on the bottom. And then we should divide that to find the decimal value. The ratio of the small side to the large side gives us a decimal value of 0.4. What we're going to do next is find numbers from this list that will give us a ratio of A to B that will match 0.4. That's our strategy in this problem. Because we know that A is much smaller than B, let's take the small numbers from this list and put them next to A. The small numbers are 8 and 9 and 10. So there are our possible smaller numbers, possible values for A. Now we take the bigger numbers, 15 and 25, and let's put those next to B because those are the only possible values for B. Now our last challenge is to find two numbers, one from this A list, one from this B list, that are going to give us the proper ratio that gives us a decimal value of 0.4. So we're going to set up A over B, and we're going to just start guessing. I'm going to guess 8 over 15. A is 8, B is 15, but I find the decimal for that and it's 0.533. That is not the 0.4 that we're looking for. So we continue on. I next try 8 divided by 25. That gives us 0.32. First number was a little high, this one's a little low, but neither of them match 0.4, so we continue on. I now select 9 from the first list, 25 from the second list. I divide and I get 0.36. You should be able to use your calculator on a problem like this. So I still have not matched 0.4. I try 10 from the first list, 25 from the second list. I divide and boom, now I have matched 0.4. So that tells me that A must be 10 and B must be 25. So I fill those answers in. A is equal to 10 and B is equal to 25. So this is a good example of a problem where your only option is really to use guess and check. We know that we are trying to find a ratio that gives us a decimal value of 0.4, but we just have to try some combinations of these two sets of values to try to find the one that works. That wraps up this video. I hope you found it helpful.